This is a quick video showing how you can pay an invoice you received from your contractor right through Ressio. First thing to note is when you do receive an invoice from your contractor, you should receive an email notification letting you know that you received an invoice. And when you click on it, it will take you right into your Ressio portal here. Now, any outstanding invoices that need to be paid will show up right here on your summary screen. They'll also show up underneath the budget tab. So in this case, we received an invoice request for $6,250 here. That is due on April 6th. We'll go ahead and open this up so we can review it. And we're going to notice here in the description, please remit payment using the pay invoice button. Here's the invoice summary. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this to the next step. We're going to hit pay invoice, and it's going to take us to this screen. Now, depending on what your contractor has set up, you'll be able to pay with a credit card or a bank account ACH transaction. The key difference between the two is if you're paying with a credit card, the fee is located up here. It's 2.99% plus 30 cents a transaction. When you're paying with an ACH, it's a $10 flat fee. So just keep that in mind. We're going to show you the fee up here. So your total would be $6,437, whereas the bank account would be $6,260. Submitting a payment is very simple. You're going to notice here, you're just going to go ahead and key in your card number, type in an expiration, and then simply type in the security code and hit pay. Now, when doing this, it's going to walk through the process. It's going to let you know if it's accepted or declined. In that case, I used a fake credit card number, so it was declined. And it's going to be a very similar experience for your bank account, just with different information. You could select the account type, checkings or savings, type in your account and routing number, type in the information here, hit pay, and then it's going to switch into a processing status. Again, I'm in a test environment, so it's not going to go through. And then a credit card payment should go through right away within 1 to 2 business days. ACH payments could sometimes take anywhere between 2 to 5 business days. So don't be surprised if you don't see that pull from your bank right away. It will move into a processing state and you'll get notified when the payment is completed. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team at Ressio. Thank you.